All right, next up, the gingerbread man.
Oh, this is the most beautiful tree I've ever seen. Did you really make all these ornaments yourself?
We did. We polished this one just for you.
You know, you'd look great in yoga pants. Just saying.
Ho, ho, ho.
I asked Santa for a new kitchen. He sent me a spatula and good luck.
If Santa doesn't like my cookies this year, he can bake his own damn batch.
Lord, this thinking of my will.
Now, this chicken understands commitment. Oh, honey, this chicken's got more flavor than my last husband.
Ooh, that's spicy, but so good, dear.
Hello, my dears. Okay, it's coming. Yes, there's the fire. This chicken is so incredibly crunchy. Listen to this. And the radish is